If any one of you passed through our mosque or through our market while carrying arrows, he should hold the iron heads. Or say it, he should hold firmly with his hands, lest he should injure one of the Muslims with it. Al-Hadith Bukhari Sharif, Volume 9, Book number 88, Hadith number 196.